In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the magical and spiritual uses of rosemary. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so this is how my channel kind of started out, is me doing videos about herbs and natural things. So I've been trying to bring that back into my channel. A lot of you guys have been requesting for those videos too. So let's hop into it with rosemary. We're going to be talking about rosemary and some ways you can use it and what you can use it for. So I have here my rosemary right here. I do need to refill it, but I do like to keep them in containers and keep them in my kitchen so they stay fresh and the aroma gets contained in here really, really well. These bottles you can get on Amazon. They're really good for spices. Okay, so rosemary corresponds with the sun energy. It is more of a masculine herb. Okay, so a few ways to use rosemary. This is a very protective herb, so it's protective and cleansing. Now, if you keep rosemary in your garden, if you grow it in your garden, or even inside your home, like a little pot inside of your house, it's believed that where rosemary grows, the woman rules. So for all of the females out there, something to keep in mind, keep rosemary in your home, rosemary in your garden. Okay, so another way you can use rosemary is through like smudging. Like, you know how there's sage smudge sticks? Some people don't like the smell of sage. Some people say it smells like marijuana. Like, some people just don't prefer it. But rosemary is a very, very powerful herb to sage your house with. Sage your house, your crystals, your spiritual tools, yourself. And to me, it smells like Christmas, like pine, like a Christmas tree. It smells so good. Just remember that when you are burning rosemary, you want to keep a window or a door open to let the negative energy out. Okay, so you can also use rosemary as a spiritual rinse or a cleansing rinse. And this is something I love to do. It's such a pick-me-up. It just refreshes my energy. What you do is you boil rosemary, and you can add other herbs to it too to amplify the energy. Like mint is a really good one, sage, and if you don't even have any of those, rosemary is perfectly fine to use just by itself. So what you want to do is boil it, and then you want to let it cool down, and then you want to strain it and use that in your bath water or as a rinse after you shower. So what I would do is after I shower, I pour it on myself as a rinse, and I don't wash that off. And it smells so good. It lifts my mood right up. I can feel like that freshness in my energy. It's really powerful. You guys, if you try it, and just let me know down below, you know what I'm talking about. It's such a fresh feeling. Not only that, but it clears away negative energy, helps to remove mental blockages, refreshes your mind. It's really good for mind focus, concentration. So like right before you go to study, you want to work with rosemary. So burn a little bit of rosemary, maybe make some rosemary tea, diffuse rosemary like oils. Rosemary is very, very good for studying and people who are about to take an exam. I get a lot of questions about school and exams and studying and like how to concentrate and stuff like that. Rosemary is very good for that. Another thing you could do is like any of your candles in your house, no matter what scent or whatever, you just sprinkle a little bit of rosemary in there and you get the energy of the rosemary diffused into your house. So, you know, that healing, that protective energy, that cleansing and purifying energy just gets diffused into your house through your own candle. So just drop a little bit of your rosemary into any candle. Okay, another thing you can do is put rosemary along your front door or underneath your mattress. Just be careful if you have pets and stuff. But what it does is it increases the fidelity if you're in a relationship. It keeps loyalty in the relationship and faithfulness. So rosemary is a really good herb for that. I get a lot of questions about like how to keep the fidelity and the loyalty and all of that stuff. Cumin and rosemary, perfect. Okay, the last way you can use rosemary is in your love rituals. So anytime you're working with love energy, love manifestation, love rituals, use a little bit of rosemary in there. It boosts the ritual and it adds good energy. It protects your magic, your ritual. And money, same thing with money, will protect it and boost it and amplify it. It's just a very good energy. It's healing and purifying, protective. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what other herbs you guys want me to talk about, because this is fun. This is why I started my channel, and I just love herbs. and I want to teach you guys whatever I learn. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!